10 World's Most Luxurious Airports. Welcome to my channel. The world's most luxurious airports redefine travel, transcending functionality to offer opulent experiences. From architectural marvels to high-end shopping districts, gourmet dining, and exclusive lounges, these airports embody a fusion of elegance, efficiency, and cultural richness. Explore the epitome of sophistication in air travel as we delve into the realms of extravagance at these global aviation hubs. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Abu Dhabi International Airport, AUH, UAE. Abu Dhabi International Airport, AUH, in the UAE stands as one of the world's most luxurious airports, captivating travelers with its opulence and seamless service. A gateway to the capital, AUH presents a myriad of upscale amenities, including exclusive lounges adorned with contemporary Arabian design, gourmet dining options, and high-end shopping featuring prestigious international brands. Its state-of-the-art facilities, coupled with personalized services and VIP treatment, redefine the travel experience. The airport reflects the grandeur of Abu Dhabi, embodying a fusion of modern luxury and traditional elegance, making it a destination in itself for those seeking the epitome of sophistication in air travel. Number 9. Tokyo Haneda Airport, HND, Japan. Tokyo Haneda Airport, HND, emerges as a beacon of luxury in air travel, epitomizing Japanese precision and elegance. Renovated for the 2020 Olympics, HND showcases a seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and traditional aesthetics. Exclusive lounges offer panoramic views of the runways and Mount Fuji, while the airport's commitment to efficiency ensures a stress-free experience. HND stands as a testament to Japan's dedication to providing a luxurious and culturally immersive environment, making it a distinguished entry point to Tokyo and a destination within itself. Number 8. London Heathrow Airport, LHR, United Kingdom. London Heathrow Airport, LHR, personifies luxury in the realm of air travel. Serving as a global hub, LHR boasts an array of premium services and amenities that elevate the passenger experience. Exclusive lounges offer opulent retreats, featuring gourmet dining and sophisticated bars. The airport's high-end shopping district houses iconic brands, while spa facilities cater to travelers seeking relaxation. With efficient transportation links to London city centre, Heathrow seamlessly blends convenience with sophistication. Its commitment to excellence, from concierge services to cultural exhibitions, solidifies Heathrow's status as one of the world's most luxurious airports, embodying the essence of British elegance and hospitality. Number 7. Zurich Airport, ZRH, Switzerland. Zurich Airport, ZRH, in Switzerland, stands as a pinnacle of luxury in air travel. Renowned for its Swiss precision and efficiency, ZRH offers an unparalleled experience blending modern comfort with timeless elegance. The airport boasts a plethora of high-end shopping options, featuring luxury Swiss watches and international designer boutiques. VIP lounges provide a serene atmosphere, combining business amenities with relaxation spaces. Zurich Airport's commitment to quality service and a seamlessly designed environment ensures that every traveler experiences the epitome of sophistication amid Switzerland's picturesque landscapes. Number 6. Munich Airport, Musée, Germany. Munich Airport, Musée, in Germany stands as a paragon of luxury in air travel. Renowned for its modern architecture and Bavarian hospitality, Musée offers a lavish experience. Travelers are greeted by an array of high-end shops, featuring German and international luxury brands. Exclusive lounges provide a haven of comfort and sophistication, complemented by gourmet dining options showcasing the region's culinary excellence. With cultural exhibitions and business amenities seamlessly integrated, Munich Airport transcends functionality to become a destination in itself. Its commitment to passenger well-being and opulence solidifies Musée as one of the world's most luxurious airports, embodying Germany's penchant for precision and style. Number 5. Hong Kong International Airport, HKG, Hong Kong. Hong Kong International Airport, HKG, stands as an epitome of luxury in global aviation. Nestled amid the bustling metropolis, HKE seamlessly merges efficiency with opulence. Travelers are welcomed by a plethora of high-end retail stores showcasing international designer labels and cutting-edge technology. The airport's array of gourmet dining options, from Michelin-starred restaurants to local delicacies, elevates the culinary experience. Exclusive lounges provide an oasis of tranquility, while the architecture mirrors the city's modernity. Hong Kong International Airport not only serves as a major transportation hub, but also as a gateway to sophistication, embodying the fusion of East and West in a luxurious and dynamic atmosphere. Number 4. Incheon International Airport, ICN, South Korea. Incheon International Airport, ICN, in South Korea, emerges as a pinnacle of luxury in global aviation. Renowned for its futuristic design and efficiency, ICN offers an unmatched passenger experience. Travelers are greeted by a harmonious blend of Korean culture and cutting-edge technology, evident in the airport's architecture and amenities. Exclusive lounges provide a serene escape, reflecting South Korea's commitment to hospitality. Incheon International Airport seamlessly combines modernity with cultural richness, making it a beacon of luxury travel. Number 3. Dubai International Airport, DXB, UAE. Dubai International Airport, DXB, stands as a testament to unparalleled luxury in global air travel. Situated in the opulent cityscape of Dubai, DXB is an architectural marvel boasting world-class amenities. Travelers are greeted by a shopping extravaganza featuring elite brands and duty-free treasures, with facilities like sleep pods, spas, and a hotel within the terminal. Dubai Airport transforms layovers into indulgent experiences. DXB's commitment to extravagance, efficiency, and innovation solidifies its status as one of the world's most luxurious airports. Number 2. Hamad International Airport, Doha, Qatar. Hamad International Airport, Doha, in Qatar stands as a beacon of opulence, defining the epitome of luxury in air travel. Nestled in the heart of Doha, Doha showcases a blend of cutting-edge architecture and Qatari hospitality. The airport's VIP lounges exude sophistication, complemented by gourmet dining options that reflect the rich culinary heritage of the region. With spa facilities, high-end boutiques, and exclusive services, Hamad International Airport not only facilitates seamless travel, but envelops passengers in a realm of unparalleled comfort and extravagance. Number 1. Singapore Changi Airport, SIN, Singapore. Singapore Changi Airport, SIN, stands as a jewel of luxury in global aviation. Renowned for its awe-inspiring architecture and impeccable service, Changi transforms the travel experience. The airport hosts lush gardens, an indoor waterfall, and a butterfly sanctuary, creating an oasis of tranquility. SIN's terminals house designer boutiques, offering an indulgent shopping experience. Gourmet dining options range from local delicacies to international cuisine. Exclusive lounges provide respite in lavish surroundings. With amenities like snooze lounges and a rooftop pool, Changi Airport is a destination in itself, redefining opulence in air travel and consistently earning acclaim as one of the world's most luxurious airports. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.